learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Maseches Gitin Perek Hey Mishna Tes Mishelis Isha Lechaverta Chashuda Al Shvius. A woman could lend her friend who's chashid al shvius, even though she's chashid al shvius, she could still lend her the following utensils: a napa, v'kavra, v'rechayim, v'tanor, the sifters and the mill and the oven. Avaloi savar v'loi sitchin ima. She can't actually do the malacha with her. The Mishnah is going to say because you can't be machzik yidei over avera. But eishes chaver mashelis leishes ama aretz napa v'kavra. When it comes to the chashash of maisers, the halacha is that you could lend and do the malacha with her friend who's an amaretz. The only problem is once there's water in there, so then there's the chashash of tumah, then you can't touch it. So the Gemara asks, Mishna Reisha, Mishna Seif, how come when it comes to shvius, the halacha is that you can't do the malacha with her? When it comes to maisis, you are allowed to. So the Gemara says, Abaya says, Roiv Amei Aretz Ma'asenein. Rava says that we're talking about an Ama Aretz, they're a mayor who's not chashin on maiser, and the only problem was tumah. So that's only when it's mishatatal amayim, then there's a problem. When the reisha is the chashash shvius, then you can't help her. Just to note, this whole mission is exactly the same mission, the end of the 5th parak of Shvius. The Taisus Yantav points out, and he says he explains everything over there. The Mishnah says, "V'kulan lo yamru elam imnei darkei shalom." What shaykhs to this parak? Because the last Mishnah brought different things that were permitted because of darkei shalom. So this is also the only reason why you're even allowed to lend them in the first place is only because of darkei shalom. Otherwise, we would tell you not even to lend them. Another thing of darkei shalom is machzikin yidei goyim b'shvius avalo yidei Yisrael. You could tell a guy to chazkenu yideichem, like you're doing a good job, be mechazik, but you can't do that to Yisrael during shvius because he's not allowed to be doing work during shvius. And the shayel and Shloimie, and you could say shalom to a guy. The Gemara says the chiddush is even b'yom chagam, even though you're matal shem shemayim on the nachri, still you could do it. B'mnei darkei shalom, they permitted it. Perek Vav Mishnah Aleph ha'omer hiskabel getzel ishti or helich getzel ishti. If he uses a lashon that the get should be megureshes right away, the isha should be megureshes right away, it still doesn't help. He could be chayzer until the get reaches her hand, because a get is a chayv. The only way shliach l'kabal is going to work, that as soon as the shliach gets his megureshes, is like the next line in the mission is a isha shamr eskabali gita. If she initiates it, she says, "I want you to be a shliach l'kabala," then it's chal right away. And he can't be chayzer. The only way in such a case to be able to be chayzer is I don't want you to be a shliach l'kabala. I want you to be a shliach le'elacha, then imrat alachzer yachzer. He says, even in that case, afa is totally gita, even if he uses the words of toil is a lashon kabbalah, Rishon Gamliel holds, and it would be megureshes as soon as it reached to the hand of the shliach, and imrat alachzer yachzer, he's not going to be able to be chayzer.